Order. Order, members. The question I have put is that the mover be called to reply. You cannot purport to request for division, and if you do, you know the numbers and the threshold. Order, members. The threshold is 30 members, and I do not count 30 members from where I am. I have counted. I have counted. Order, members. I have counted. Order. Order, members. Order. Order, members. Order. The numbers, you are 14 honorable members. You are 14 as it is. Order, members. That debate, that request does not get to the threshold. Mover to reply.
Thank you, Madam. I stand in. Thank you, Madam Speaker. With the debate that has been contributed by members, it is sufficient enough that this particular finance bill is seeking to address the main issues, Madam Speaker, and therefore I beg to reply.
Give me the mic. The numbers are 30, like you said. Yeah. Order, members. Honorable members. Honorable members. Our standing orders are very clear. The rise for division was defeated because the members on their feet were 14 on a required number of 30. Honorable members, the mover has replied. I will therefore put the question. You do not need to guide the speaker. Do not throw hands to the speaker. Honorable members, I therefore put the question that the Finance Bill, National Assembly Bill number 26 of 2026, be now read a second time. Will as many as are of that opinion say aye? Will as many as are of a contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it.